Let's talk about lips, those delicate features that frame our smiles and express so much without us even saying a word. They're a focal point of our face and often a source of both confidence and concern. We're constantly bombarded with images of the ones we see in magazines, perfectly pink and plump, seemingly flawless and always camera-ready. These images set a high bar, an often unattainable standard of beauty. But real life? Dryness, chapping, and dullness are common for everyone. These are natural occurrences, influenced by weather, hydration levels, and even our daily habits. You're not alone if your lips don't always look their best. It's a universal experience, and there's absolutely no need to feel self-conscious about it. The good news, you don't need expensive products or drastic measures to achieve healthy, beautiful lips. Forget the costly lip injections and the endless search for the perfect lipstick. With a little care, you can get soft, naturally pink lips, enhancing your natural beauty and boosting your self-esteem. Right at home. No need for fancy spas or complicated procedures. It's all about simple, gentle habits, consistent and mindful practices that nourish and protect your lips. Think of it as self-care for your smile. A little bit of attention can go a long way in keeping your lips healthy and happy. We'll explore easy, natural routines, using ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen or bathroom, that fit into your day and boost your confidence. These routines are designed to be sustainable and enjoyable, not a chore. Forget the pressure for perfection. Let's focus on joyful, effective solutions. We're aiming for healthy, comfortable lips that make you feel good about yourself. Ready? Let's start your journey to healthy, happy lips. Get ready to unlock your most radiant smile naturally. Let's build your daily lip care routine. Start with gentle exfoliation. Use a soft toothbrush or damp cloth in small circles to remove dry skin and boost circulation. Hydration is key. Drink water throughout the day for plumper, softer lips. Choose a nourishing lip balm with natural ingredients like shea butter or coconut oil. Apply it morning, night, and whenever your lips need moisture. Don't forget sun protection. Use a balm with SPF 15 or higher every day. These simple steps keep your lips soft, healthy, and naturally pink. Make them a habit for lasting results. Some of the best lip remedies aren't found in stores, but right in your kitchen. Nature provides us with incredible ingredients that can transform your lips, leaving them soft, supple, and beautifully nourished. Make a quick scrub. It's the perfect way to exfoliate and reveal smoother skin. To create this simple yet effective scrub, mix sugar with honey or coconut oil. The sugar gently buffs away dead skin cells, while honey and coconut oil provide deep hydration and nourishment. Massage gently in circular motions to stimulate blood flow, then rinse for instantly smoother lips. You'll notice the difference immediately. For a rosy tint and a touch of luxury, crush rose petals with milk or honey. Rose petals are not only beautiful, but also contain natural oils that can help to hydrate and protect your lips. Apply as a mask, allowing the nourishing ingredients to penetrate deeply, and rinse after 15 minutes. This will leave your lips with a delicate pink hue and a soft, supple feel. Coconut oil is a fantastic daily moisturizer. It's a true multitasker when it comes to lip care. Simply dab it on for deep hydration, especially before bed, to wake up with incredibly soft lips. Aloe vera soothes chapped lips. Its cooling and anti-inflammatory properties make it a perfect remedy for irritation. For the purest form, use the gel straight from the plant if you have one. Otherwise, look for a natural aloe vera gel without added chemicals. Raw honey draws in moisture and heals. It's a natural humectant, meaning it attracts moisture from the air to keep your lips hydrated. Apply as a mask for 15 minutes, allowing its healing properties to work their magic. These natural treatments are simple, effective, and feel like a mini spa treatment in the comfort of your own home. Use them regularly as part of your self-care routine for soft, healthy lips that you'll love. No fancy products needed. You don't have to spend a fortune to achieve beautiful, healthy lips. It just takes a few kitchen staples and a little bit of time. Treat your lips to nature's best and enjoy the feeling of naturally beautiful, healthy lips. Small habits can truly make a big difference, especially when it comes to the delicate skin on your lips. Let's explore some simple yet effective lifestyle adjustments for your lips. These tips will help you achieve a healthy and naturally beautiful pout. One of the most common yet damaging habits is to avoid licking your lips. While it might seem like a quick fix for dryness, it actually dries them out even more. The saliva evaporates, taking away moisture and leaving your lips feeling even more chapped. Nourish your lips from within by making sure you eat plenty of fruits and veggies. They are packed with essential vitamins and antioxidants. These nutrients work wonders to keep lips healthy, supple, and vibrant. Smoking is another habit that can wreak havoc on your lips, causing darkening and the formation of fine lines around the mouth. Quitting this habit is one of the best things you can do, as it helps restore your lips' natural color and overall health. When choosing lip products, always take the time to check your lip products for harsh chemicals and potentially irritating ingredients. Instead, stick to gentle, natural formulas that nourish and protect your lips. Make it a nightly ritual to always remove lip makeup before bed. This allows your lips to breathe and recover overnight, helping to prevent dryness and chapping. Remember, these simple lifestyle tweaks support your lips from the inside out, contributing to their overall health and appearance. When you prioritize healthy choices, it truly shows in your smile, radiating confidence and vitality. Protect, nourish, and be mindful. Your lips will thank you for the extra care and attention. Consistency is key for lasting results, so make these habits a part of your daily routine for a consistently healthy and beautiful pout. Achieving soft pink lips is about small, loving actions. Stick to your daily routine. Exfoliate, hydrate, nourish, and protect with SPF. Use natural remedies from your kitchen for extra care. Healthy habits, like not licking your lips and eating well, make a real difference. Be patient and kind to yourself. Your lips are unique and beautiful. Consistency brings the best results, so enjoy the process. Embrace your natural beauty and let your healthy smile shine. You've got this.